plant and I just love it. Sitting in the company of plants is just amazing. It gives you peace. In these days, we just think about negativity, and we don't focus on the good things, like positive things. Due to the scenario, we are at home since 4 months and it's like a boredom. But if you look at the nature and you find utmost peace of mind and heart, and that's amazing, which I got like this right now. Something which soothes you and give you happiness, and it also rejuvenates your soul. Open up your heart in the company of plants, like flowers, trees. Plant them. They are beautiful creatures created by the God. Don't find God in the religious places, somewhere in the stones. Just find them in the nature. You will get the God. Firstly, God resides in your heart. But if you go on a hunt and on a nature trip, you will find them in nature too. So, so be a lover of nature and get your peace of mind and heart. We have everything in our lives, but one thing is missing, that is peace of mind. So get it in the laps of Mother Nature and be grateful to the God. Thank you.